Welcome to our video for adding a custom content page to your iHouse Elite website. In this video, we'll cover how to create a new custom content page, how to edit a custom content page, and how to arrange your new custom content page in your navigation menu. And with that, let's get started. Begin by logging into your admin menu. Scroll to the bottom of your homepage and click Admin Menu, seen here. From your admin menu, go ahead and click Edit Your Website. Once you're in the editing mode, go ahead and click Pages found in the top left here. Once you're under Pages, you can press Add a New Page here. We're going to go ahead and create a new custom content page. From Add a New Page, click Custom Content, seen here. This will open the editor for a new custom content page that you'll be creating. Give your new custom content page a title, as this is what will show at the top of the screen. We'll go ahead and call ours our support team. And in addition to this, we'll go ahead and give ourselves a little bit more workspace to work with by clicking this triangle here and dragging it down. This will give us a little bit more visibility to manage the content we're about to add. First, we'll go ahead and add an image. You can add images to your custom content by clicking the photo icon here. This will open the image properties window. From here, you can click Browse Images to add a file from your file manager. Once your file manager is open, select the photo you'd like to add to your custom content, and then press Open in the bottom right. From here, you'll be able to adjust the width and height of the image. If you'd like to keep its aspect ratio, click the lock icon seen here. If you're all set, press OK. You'll now see the image added to your custom content page. Next, we'll work on adding some text to the custom content area. Type into the body whatever text you'd like to display. It can be adjusted using the controls seen above. In this case, we'll bold the text and adjust the size to be larger. We'll add some more body text, but from here we're also going to try and link some of that text in there, such as the phone number. Highlight the text that you'd like to link and press this link icon found above. This will open the linking menu for you. Any text that you highlight and you press this will allow you to link the text when clicked to any of the following, such as pages, which are pages within your website, modal form, which will present a form in a little pop-out window in front of you to any form on your website, IDX search, which will allow you to hyperlink to a IDX search you create right then and there, market report, which will allow you to type in a location, so when the text is clicked, it'll take them to the market report of the location you've typed in. URL, which is any URL you type and paste into this field here. Or by clicking Browse Server, you can link to the URL of a file, such as a form, in your file manager. Link to anchors you've set in larger bodies of text if you're working on a larger piece of custom content. Email, which will open an email application to send an email to the desired email that's listed. And last but not least, the link to phone number. When a phone number is entered and it's clicked on a mobile device, it will dial out to that number as desired. Since that's the type of link we want to make in this instance, go ahead and press OK. The highlighted text we chose is now linked as a phone number. When it's clicked, it'll be treated as such. And if desired, power users can click Source to edit the content and the code directly. And if you're all set with your changes, go ahead and scroll to the bottom of the page. From here, you can choose to check this box to publish this page. And by doing so, it'll give you the option to add this as a main navigation link. This will show in your main navigation, and we'll show you how to arrange that in just a little bit. But if you're all set from here, press Save This Page, found here. This will take you over to the editing view of your new custom content page to give you an idea of what it'll look like. From the main navigation, you can see it's added as the last item in our list. If you'd like to arrange that or put it under another section, we'll show you how to do that now. In the top left, click Navigation. And once under Navigation, scroll to the bottom as it's the last item in our list. Click and hold the navigation item you'd like to rearrange and drag it to the desired spot you'd like it to be in your navigation menu. Once it's placed as desired, you can press Finished, found in the bottom right. From there, if you go and look at where you've placed the navigation menu, you'll see your change reflected. And to view all pages created as custom content, go to the Pages tab found in the top left, scroll down and find the section for Custom Content Pages. All pages created so far will be displayed here. And that concludes our training video on adding a custom content page. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will give you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. But most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Give our lead service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.